Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of stab. Of a person. Thrust a knife or other pointed weapon into someone, so as to wound or kill. For example, he stabbed him in the stomach. American pronunciation. Stab. Stab. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Stab. Say. Stab. Stab means thrust knife or other pointed weapon into someone so as. Stab. Stab. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Evans threatened to stab him with a knife and left. Now, repeat after me. Evans threatened to stab him with a knife and left. The second practice. 3 men were recovering in hospital today after being stabbed. Now, repeat after me. 3 men were recovering in hospital today after being stabbed.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.